Hello, good day. My name is Oliver Kalumpa, a 100 manager or guider of Tanay City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. My last provided help was on October 2015 with the amount of 3,300 pesos. Now, I requested help with the amount of 5,000 pesos. Last October 26, 2015. This accumulates my bonus such as leader bonus, referral bonuses, expected managerial bonuses, the 30% accrued monthly interest. As you can see, all of these are my bonuses. Um, I received it yesterday, October 27, 2015. Thank you for my provider with the nickname is Ray, who provided me a help of 5,000 pesos. Thank you, and together we can change the world. Bye bye.